In this episode, you are going to learn how to set up GA4 purchase event for Shopify store using Google Tag Manager.
Hi, this is Nasim from nasimraja.com and I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. If you need my assist, feel free to contact me. Details on this video description. Let's back to this topic.
So this is actually our demo Shopify web store and we are going to set up the purchase event for GA4 because purchase event is most important event for any kind of business model. So this is actually e-commerce and we need to send our purchase information to our analytics. That will be great and we can easily understand our analytics and we can easily optimize our ad campaign based on our analytics data. Okay, so and you can see we are using Google Tag Manager to set up our tracking. So purchase event actually very important to run campaign. So any kind of campaign you can run. So purchase tracking is very important to optimize your ad and get conversion and increase ROI. Okay, so no more talks, let's go to Google Tag Manager and you can see if you watch our previous couple of episode you can easily understand how we are making this kind of e-commerce event. So I hope you can easily understand, and if you don't understand I am going to give you a quick overview. For example, this is our Shopify website and Google Tag Manager we have connected through this code. Just simply copy and paste under the head tag of our Shopify website theme, and then we have connected our Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager to our website. We just used our measurement ID to connect our Google Analytics to our website. Just simply this is the measurement ID that we copied and paste on our this tag. Okay, so then our tag manager was working fine. They are able to send data to our analytics. Now we need to track the purchase event, and you guys already know for sending any event we need to make the tag. So that's why I am now on the tag section, and let's go to new and hit this tag configuration and select Google Analytics, then Google GA4 event. Okay, and you can see we need to input our measurement ID that you will get on here that I already show you. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so you can see Google tag found in this container, so that's mean our measurement ID is accurate. Now let's search on GA4 standard event and we need to find the e-commerce purchase event and what the necessary variable parameter that we need to send. So for example, for online sales, it's under, we can see the purchase is here. These are all for e-commerce store. So this is we are going to set up. Just select that event. You can see when we have opened that our event, we are watching a few couple of required event we need to send with our purchase event. Okay, so for example, you can see we actually are only sending required with Easter mark. This kind of event we are sending, so it will be the same. So let's try to set up that event. Okay, just copy the event name from here and go back to tag manager and then purchase. Okay, and another important thing, like you don't know how to send the event parameter and how we will get the purchase event and how we will make the trigger. So that's why I always recommend to do the job in live. So that's why I am going to preview and I will do a purchase quickly because we need purchase event. So let's connect Google Tag Manager, and then you can see Google Tag Manager is connected. So let's quickly order a product. So check out, and I will use demo information of course, and you can see my credit card 126 anyone, and so it's required my first name last name and then play. So I already paste our email address. Let's play pay now, and you can see your order being proceed. So our order has been completed now, and we are seeing here is the thank you message. And let's back to our tag assistant. Here you can see this is the event that we are going to send, which is purchase. And if I expand the data layer, all the data are perfectly showing here. Okay, now we have got our trigger and we have got our all the information. Let's configure the tag. So go to new and select that event and measurement ID. Of course we need to send the measurement ID. Then eCommerce event, it will be the purchase, and we need to configure our this kind of parameter. So parameter, of course we are going to follow their document because always I try to follow the official document of GA4. So if you are not so technical, you can contact me. I will help you to set up this kind of event. Okay, so you can see these are required event that we are going to send, and it's item ID we need to send. We need to send item name. So these are actually the required with star mark. So that's mean the Google recommended variable that we are sending. Okay, so that's it. Now we need to pull that data. So I am going to show you how to give the value, and let's check our data layer. If our previous variable are triggering the value, we can use that. Yeah, that is working. Our value, like you can see, we have made our product price which was 8.68, but this is not our purchase value because our purchase value is now 22 with the shipping charge. Okay, so with this is actually our purchase value we are going to send. Okay, let's make that variable. Always I do prefer to you guys can use the data layer checker extension, which is quite helpful. So you can see our value code is here. Just simply copy it and make the variable for purchase value. So I am going to show you how you can make that. Just select data layer variable and copy the code that we are got from that extension and then save it. So it's a purchase value. So you can, this name is not important, you can do follow your own style. And currency is simple, we have already made based on our previous actually we need to send the item name. Sorry, it's a item array. So item, just item ID, it's a product ID, and item name, it's a product name. And you can see transaction ID is new to for this event. Okay, now we need to send this transaction ID event. So transaction ID is this one. So if I open this extension again and try to follow their sorry, not here, here you can see this is the purchase, and this is the transaction ID. Simply copy it and make another data layer variable. Just hit the plus and make the data layer variable and paste here, and then save it, and it's a transaction ID, and then I'm saving it. And you can see it's these are all the required variable parameter we are sending right now. So let's back on this Google Analytics documentation. So if you want, you can also like all the required, or if you are interested, you can send all of them from here. So like for example, shipping, tax, you can send them, but they are not required, so that's why I'm not sending. I am just skipping that part. And now when your tag is ready, we need to set up the trigger. So trigger, actually we should make the custom event, and then custom event we of course copy from our website data layer and make it. So sometime your event can be with different name like transaction, etc., but always you should copy the name from here, so that will be great. Okay, so it's ready, and then save it. And now our tag is ready, and you can see we are going to give the tag name, and this is ready. Let's test it, because always guys, I love to test after finish my project, because this is very useful to make me confidence when I submit my job to my clients. Okay, so let's save it. Let's do a test, which is add to cart, checkout. I'm just quickly ordered this product, like I'm giving you. So it's one, it's 28, 1 to 4, and then pay now. And you can see the order are being proceed, and if I get back on the purchase, you can see our purchase tag is fired, and this data, this tag are sending to our analytics. So let's go to analytics now and check the real-time data. So go to reports and then real time, and when you are here, let's go to a little bit down, scroll down, and you can see this is the purchase are here. So that's mean our tag is working, and this event are capturing the value. So that's it guys. If you need my help, please check out this video description and contact me. Thank you.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.